Curbit 2.0 is a case study in a redesign of the existing app called Curbit. Curbit is the official waste management app used in St. John's, Newfoundland. The redesign is about implementing food waste collection and biomass awareness. This project came about while I was in St. John's for Christmas last year. I noticed a vast amount of leftovers being thrown away. I find this wasteful because in Filipino culture, food is meant to be shared and saved. And I wonder whether there was a way that it could be repurposed to help society as a whole. This led me to research about how food waste could be converted into energy. I have a little knowledge about renewables, however, it's not sufficient enough to design and engineer an entire system. This refocused my attention to implement a more human-centered approach. I decided to contact a city councilor and the waste manager of the public works to learn more about Curbit and how it works. Following this, I created a survey and interviewed residents, gained insights into their usage of the app, and then researched waste management apps used across Canada. And I later learned that they all use the same system from third-party software called Routeware. I delved deeper by reading policy papers and government reports to strengthen my knowledge for possible implementations in the future. In the later weeks, I moved into production on personas, empathy map, and journey maps that were based on the data I gathered. To further define the problem, I used UX design principles such as affinity map, sitemap, user flow, and hierarchical task analysis. Creating these artifacts, I felt confident in developing the low-fidelity prototype and started to create assets in Figma to work on the high-fidelity prototype. I conducted A and B testing after creating the first version of the prototype and applied the relevant feedback to produce the second version. The project included a heuristic evaluation with feedback from people with diverse professional backgrounds, such as UX design and process engineering. The final outcome is a comprehensive case study and an interactive prototype.